You stated what the facts were.
What do you make of the new set of ministers and deputies that have been designated?
You know, when he said we should pray for KT Hammond and then the
Dr. Amoah.
Dr. Amoah, and then you ask why. My understanding of it is that we should pray they don't exchange blows. That's what I think.
They will. Why would they?
These are two very complex individuals. Very, very complex.
Are you not complex?
Well, that is why you shouldn't have two complex individuals at the same ministry. You are talking of two very, very complex individuals who are going to work at the same ministry. I know Honorable KT Hammond. He's a KT Hammond. He's a no-nonsense man. There are certain things he won't tolerate under any circumstance. And I know my good friend, Dr. Sika, when his name was mentioned, we all rose. We were happy for him. But frankly speaking, at that ministry, more so one of the most important, if not the most important ministry. Forget of even Minister of Finance. Because everything this government is looking at, expanding the economy, creating jobs, improving the living conditions of people, can all be achieved through the Ministry of Trade and Industry.
Would you rather have Honorable Andy Appiah Kubi a minister and then Titus?
Fantastic.
Ask him
when we were in Geneva.
They've been within that space
fantastic.
before.
When we were in Geneva, to be very honest, I was telling him that I will be happy if they make you the Minister for Trade.
Oh, you told him?
Oh, no, I told him. When we were in Geneva, I was always telling him that I will be happy if they make you the Minister for Trade. Tato's fantastic individual with his experience with labor unions, experience at the ministry, has been a member of the Committee for Trade and Industries, and a lot of the policy interventions we had, I remember at that time, the Parliament was hugely engaged. Look, the issue of banning this small rice importers, Parliament, in fact, it was a Parliament-even decision, and Parliament exiled International Trade Commission, International Trade Facilitation. These were very important bills that evaded, if you like, eluded every government.